Lenny. Lenny. Honey. Hi. Are you okay? We're not leaving you. Oh, he's got worried face on. Oh.
He's okay. Just leave him.
Do you want me to go outside with
No,
him?
no, don't pander.
Wait, he's obviously freaking out. I want to take this off too. No, Lisa, don't make him do anything. Oh.